Heavy rains hit Parker County, and without proper drainage, your driveway can wash away in hours. We're talking $10,000 or more in damage. That's why smart property owners call in the experts before they break ground. Proper culvert installation is the foundation of any rural driveway. Our team grades your land, places heavy-duty corrugated or concrete culverts, and builds drainage ditches and head walls that handle even the worst Texas storms. We use excavators, compactors, and erosion control measures to prevent washouts before they start, protecting your driveway and surrounding soil for decades. From homes and shops to barns and long ranch lanes, we size and install culverts to match load and flow, then finish with proper backfill and grading. Routine inspection and maintenance keep systems working year after year. Don't wait for a washout. Call us today for a free estimate. Call 3BW Excavation and Dirt Work, 214-202-8294.